Hello everyone, please join me, and in this video you will see how to crochet my unique cord. For this cord I will use two kinds of beads. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. For work I will use seed beads, round beads, 1.4 millimeters crochet hook, and a ball of yarn. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet my cord. I will begin from the foundation chain. I will not use it. Continue, make a chain, pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, like this. Take the working loop, pull it through. And make a chain, like this. Then chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. Turn the work. Make single crochet into the chain space and thread, like this. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here what I have. I remove my thread on the back side of the project. I continue working on my segment. Make a chain. For transition part, turn the work. Make 2 single crochet into the first stitch with seed bead. Insert the hook and make single crochet with seed bead, like this. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet with seed bead. Work into each stitch, make the third one, work into the next stitch, 4, 5, 2 single crochet into the last stitch, 2 and 7. Insert the hook into the same stitch, like this. Make single crochet. Well done. This is the front side. I continue working, make a chain and turn the work. Now I show you how to make the trim. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain and make a slip stitch and chain. Make slip stitch and chain. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch and chain. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch and chain. Make a chain and slip stitch Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, chain. Here what I have. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did on the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. My segment is ready. Let's stop and look what I have done. This is the first segment of my cord. You can use it like a brooch, earring or pendant. Next time you will see how to crochet the second segment for my cord. And let's continue. Let's crochet the next segment. For this, make a chain, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, like this. Take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. Turn the work. Make 5 single crochet into the chain space and thread. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make 2 single crochet with seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 2 single crochet. 1, 6, and 7. This is the back side of the project. You can check your seed beads on the front side. Let's stop and look. Here what I have. Now I will show you how to make the joining between 2 segments. This is the back side of the work. Let's join my current segment to the previous one. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. There is my segment, and let's count. This is the first chain stitch and the second. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. Make a chain and single crochet. 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 Chain. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. The second segment is ready. Here what I have at this point. Once I have done 2 segments, let's crochet the third one. Make a chain, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, and so on. Then you should repeat as many times as you need for your cord. And now I show you how to finish my cord. Once I have done all my segments, and now let's finish my project. Once I have done the slip stitch into the chain stitch, my segment is ready to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn, and you should leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry. And this is the back side, and this is front. So that's it, my project is ready. This is my own project that I created recently for you. For this I use 2 kinds of beads, round beads and seed beads. You can crochet 1 segment, and it could be perfect to create brooch, earring or pendant. Also, it could be like a bracelet, necklace or belt for your outfit. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my cords. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!